Welcome to Best Choice. The Best The Killings at Badger's Drift is probably one of the most captivating and intricately plotted mysteries that will keep you guessing until the very last page, drawing you into a seemingly idyllic English village where dark secrets and sinister motives lie just beneath the surface, making it a must-read for any fan of classic whodunits. Number 5. EzyRoller Classic Ride on Scooter. Introducing the EzyRoller Classic. Experience smooth sailing across playgrounds and sidewalks with this unique sit-down scooter. It provides hours of fun for riders of all ages. Ride in comfort and style. The EzyRoller Classic features a comfortable seat that removes strain from your back, allowing you to simply sit back and enjoy the ride. Forget pedaling. This ride-on toy moves with an easy alternating leg motion on the footbar. It's unlike any other riding toy you've seen. The EzyRoller Classic is designed to grow with your child. With extendable foot bars, it's perfect for both young riders and teens, ensuring years of enjoyment. Despite its lightweight steel frame, this riding machine has a low center of gravity for easy maneuvering. It's safe for riders ages 4 and up, supporting up to 150 pounds. What we like? Experience smooth sailing with this unique sit-down scooter. It offers a fun and comfortable ride without pedals, using an alternating leg movement. If you're looking for a ride-on toy that grows with your child and provides hours of active fun, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product is extremely well made and I did a lot of research and found this ride-on. First I looked for something that is kid-powered. Next I was looking for a ride-on that would grow with my granddaughter. The pieces are all well made and very durable. You get the 2 extending poles, one shorter and one longer. You can put both together to extend the longest for older kids. My kids absolutely love these things. Best Christmas presents ever. My kids are 8 and 6 and I think they will be riding them for a few years. We got both blue and pink. They were super easy to put together. Very sturdy and already getting daily, rigorous, use with zero problems. It is a well-made, fun, active toy that stands out from the usual gifts and keeps kids moving. I would definitely recommend this as a unique and enjoyable gift. Number 4. CENWA Vampire Show Always and Forever Cuff Bracelet. Discover a piece inspired by the beloved Vampire Show. It's a perfect gift for any fan, capturing the essence of enduring bonds. Embrace the sentiment that family truly comes first. This bracelet serves as a constant reminder of the unbreakable ties that bind us. We're a symbol of eternal devotion and love. This piece embodies the promise of always and forever, a timeless message. Looking for a special gift? This bracelet offers a unique and heartfelt way to express your love and appreciation. Crafted with care, this accessory is designed to be cherished. It's a beautiful addition to any jewelry collection. Let this bracelet be a daily reminder of the people who matter most. It's a subtle yet powerful way to showcase your affection. What we like? Show your love for a popular vampire series with this stylish cuff bracelet. It features a meaningful family motto, perfect for fans who cherish their bonds. If you are looking for a unique piece of jewelry that expresses fandom and family values, this is a great pick. What people say. A must for any fan of the originals, also a great gift for family members. This was one of my daughter's birthday presents. Number 3. Marine Tech Tools Gimbal Bearing Alignment and Install Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for gimbal bearing alignment and installation. It ensures proper alignment of the drive shaft receiver to the gimbal bearing and facilitates the installation of the drive shaft seal, gimbal bearing, and bellows retainer ring. Checking alignment and installing the gimbal bearing has never been easier. This tool works perfectly to verify alignment before and after installation, and also helps in installing the aluminum ring on the joint bellows. Our unique 2-piece tool is designed for quick and simple installation. It eliminates the need to drill holes in your alignment tools, saving you time and effort. Born from a passion for boating, we are dedicated to creating high-quality marine repair and maintenance tools. Our mission is to empower boat owners and mechanics with reliable tools for their lifestyle. Proudly developed and tested in Charleston, South Carolina, USA, our tools are built for durability. We stand by our commitment to quality with a lifetime warranty on all our products. This kit is designed for broad compatibility, working seamlessly with Mare Cruiser Alpha, Alpha 1, MR, Bravo, OMC, Cobra, and Volvo stern drives. What we like. Simplify your marine maintenance with this specialized alignment and install kit. It's designed for easy use without needing to drill holes, making tasks quicker. If you're a boat owner or mechanic looking for a durable, reliable tool backed by a lifetime warranty, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. Works as expected as an alignment tool. Seconds as an exercise weight. Worked good for installing my seal and gimbal bearing in my SXM out dive. Easy to store and worked great to check the alignment before and after installing the gimbal bearing. I also use it to install the aluminum ring on the joint bellows. Number 2. CJ Safety 28 Lime Green Traffic Cones. Introducing our 28-inch traffic cones, designed for maximum visibility and safety. Their large size makes them ideal for construction sites, parking lots, and roadwork areas. Constructed from premium PVC with a heavy-duty rubber base, these cones are built to withstand harsh weather and windy conditions. They offer reliable performance for both indoor and outdoor use. Featuring a bright fluorescent lime green color and 2 high-intensity reflective collars, these cones ensure 360-degree visibility day and night. This is crucial for hazard prevention and emergency situations. These cones are perfect for a wide range of uses, including traffic control, emergency response, driver training, and reserving parking spaces. They are a versatile tool for various safety needs. This set includes 6 28-inch lime green traffic cones, providing a complete solution for your safety and demarcation requirements. They are also designed for easy storage. What we like. Ensure safety and clear demarcation with these large, highly visible traffic cones. Their durable PVC construction and weighted base make them suitable for various conditions. If you need reliable cones for traffic control, parking, or driver training, this set offers excellent visibility and stability. What people say. The green color and reflective bands draw attention to the cones. I like that they are bright with large reflective bands for night parking. The cones are very sturdy and the perfect height at 28 inches. Number 1. Daiwa Saltist MQ Spinning Series Saltwater Reel. Introducing the Saltist MQ Spinning Series, engineered for the toughest saltwater conditions. Experience unparalleled strength and durability on your next fishing adventure. This reel is designed to withstand the harsh marine environment. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance when you need it most. Feel the difference with its incredibly smooth drag system and powerful retrieve. It's ready to take on any challenge the ocean throws at you. Join the ranks of anglers who trust the Saltist MQ for their saltwater pursuits. It's the perfect companion for serious fishermen. With its advanced features and solid build, this reel gives you the confidence to tackle big game fish. Get ready to experience fishing like never before. What we like. Conquer the open water with this robust saltwater spinning reel. Engineered for durability and smooth performance, it's ready for your next big catch. If you're a serious angler looking for a reliable reel that can handle the challenges of saltwater fishing, this is the one to consider. What people say. Great quality. My reel is very nice. I'm just going to try it to see how it works. Product arrived as described. Great looking reel, can't wait to try it out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.